Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now, a flare, a signal, an alarm. I was going to say a rooster, because I'm wondering if they're all ways of waking you up, but then sunrise is probably also a way of waking you up. So then maybe flare goes with SOS, because they're all distress calls. So I'm not convinced by that. I might go back to it if I can't think of anything else. But let's think of something instead. Dew and sunrise are both sort of natural phenomena, for lack of a better word. I'm not convinced by that. What else? Bunk. Bunk beds? I mean, that comes back to the waking up and sleep group, doesn't it? I don't think sleep will be in the sleep group, though. That's the only thing. What about worm? Bookworm? Some other kind of worm? Glowworm? Oh, SOS and Umbrella. These are all Rihanna songs. Is there another Rihanna song? That makes it more likely. Okay, if SOS is not going to be in this group, then we can go for these 4. Oh, they're still one away, though. That's very annoying. Because I don't know what could possibly be in this group apart from SOS. So then maybe there isn't an Umbrella, SOS and Stay group to do with Rihanna. Oh, maybe it's just Sunrise, though. Okay. Must be 3 of these plus Sunrise. And then SOS, Umbrella, Stay. Maybe Star rings a bell now. Oh, that's not even one away. Okay, so it's not SOS, Umbrella and Stay, regardless of whether it's Star. This is not going well, is it? Oh dear. What are we going to do instead? What's circle? Magic circle? What other kinds of circles are there? And what about triangle? They're presumably going to be in different groups. There isn't 2 other shapes. That would be too easy anyway. Oh, crash, sleep, bunk, and stay, maybe? Are they all just synonyms of knocking yourself out at the end of the day? I don't really know about stay. I'm not convinced by that. Worm, perhaps? Could sort of worm your way into bed, into a sleeping bag, perhaps. Again, I'm not convinced. I mean, star could go with circle and triangle, but again, there's not a 4th shape, is there? Unless I'm going mad. Alarm, rooster, signal, stay. That was 1 away. Okay, so it is going to be sunrise, we think. But what on earth? Well, maybe it's not signal, because that kind of... I don't know why I put signal in that group. Oh, wow. That's not even 1 away. Okay, so it's not flare, alarm and rooster. So flare, alarm, signal and SOS, perhaps. Those are distress calls. Okay. So what's rooster got to do with anything then? It's not to do with being woken up. It's not the Rihanna songs. So what on earth could the other groups be? At least I've got 1 group. Not a complete disaster, but this is the most difficult one of these we've had for a while. I'm still thinking bunk, stay, crash and worm. I can't remember if I went for that or not. I don't think I did. But I'm still not convinced it's right. Umbrella. What's umbrella? Umbrella parent? Umbrella something. What about rooster? What's rooster going to be apart from just a morning thing? Maybe it's just these 3 are all morning things. And then maybe sleep is a morning thing? for a thing that happens at night? That doesn't really make sense. Oh, the early bird catches the worm. So maybe worm. I've got no idea. Let's just go for these four. Okay, they are all associated with early morning. That is what I was thinking. Okay. Crikey, this is not over yet. Right. I mean, it really could just be these four. Stay in bed, and then the other four are sort of shape-related things. I've not got anything better. They're both vaguely plausible. Spend the night at. Fair enough. That is pretty much what I said. And then these are all cookie cutter shapes in Squid Game. Well, I've never seen it, so I was never going to get that, but at least the fact that three of them were shapes meant that it was a little bit easier to work out that those went together potentially. So, I've solved the puzzle somehow. 3 mistakes, so we only had 1 life left. But we then, after those 3 mistakes, got 4 correct answers in a row. Very unexpected to turn around that. Let me know how you did on this puzzle. Thank you for watching, and bye. Bye for now.